cousin. Yeah, you finna try it. Yeah. Waiting for my food right now. We got liquor right here.
Give it a review. Go ahead.
Alright, Chase, what you giving it? You like it?
Yeah, it tastes like pineapple juice, but with a little bit of water.
Got my taco, my corn, you feel me? Got my taco, nigga, about to taste it. Damn, I'm finna get back to it. It's chill. Tacos. Chopping and dipping. How does it taste? Ooh!
It's cheese.
Good. Now I put my sauce on her, you feel me? Then I'll roll in there. Okay.
Make sure you dip it in it.
Dip it in the sauce right here. That's all right.
Okay. Cut it, Paul.
Cut it, man. Ready? For the fuck.
It's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me back into
Stop it, ma.
It's gonna be a long, long
Wait.
time till
Okay.
touchdown brings me back into fine. I'm not the man that they
Good. Juicy.